The company A123 Systems introduces a new commercial storage system. Really smart is their transportation solution without an extra container. Let's have a look at it. Hello and welcome to the EES 2024 here in Munich. We are right now at the booth from A123 Systems. With us is the key account manager, Claudio Moretti.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, thank you for coming and thank you for visiting us.
Mr. Moretti, what innovations does your firm showcase this year?
We didn't invent the wheel from new. We are just offering our battery container i800 with 800 kilowatt hour, industrial application and grid scale. The basic material is this prismatic cell 340 ampere hours, which are placed in modules, and the modules are placed in a 5-foot container. The technology is lithium-ion phosphate with an explosion valve, and with the certificate of UL 9540A. That means the battery can, in case of fire, the fire is not spreading to the other cell. We have a 3 factors fire suppression system, one on module basis, one on rack basis, and one on container basis. At least we can even flood the container with water, which is not necessary anymore.
Security is a big topic for batteries at the moment. What other safety controls do you have?
The safety control is very important. Therefore, we are reducing the size of the container. All the others are using 40 feet, 20 feet, and they have to assemble the container on site, which we don't do. We assemble the container in our factory. We test the container in our factory. We do a full cycle, charging and discharging. We check the cooling, we check the BMS, we check the signals, and then after the line test, we are shipping the container on site. So we reduce dramatically the installation time on site, and we are practically safe. This is the safe, because most of the fire that happened around the world years ago was not all the time the fault of the batteries, but was the fault of the assembling on site, with humidity, with animals, with dust. This risk is now mitigated with our system.
Transportation is also a big topic, and you develop a smart transportation solution. Can you explain this to us?
We are thinking even in a green way. That means in the past we transported empty containers, 40 feet containers, 20 feet containers on site without modules because of the heavy weight. We have a limit in Europe which is about 40 tons, and such a container is over 60 tons. Therefore we decided, okay, let's do a smaller container, but let's assemble this in factory, and then let's ship the container without a transport container. That means this container is the transport container itself. And we just put the container on a truck, and from the truck we put it on the foundation. And then that's it. We don't need transport container anymore, refrigerated container, and we save transport. So even CO2 and the pollution in the environment.
For the installer, time is money. How fast can your system be installed in the field?
Because we have done all these tests already in the factory, the capacity test, the cooling test, the fire suppression system test, there is no need to repeat these tests in the field, and therefore we can reduce the installation time by 50%, and this is a big advantage.
Security again, is there other controls?
Yes, there is one important feature that I don't want to forget. Because we are producing this container in China on a semi-automatic line, we can have a very good economy of scale. And that means we are really amazing, competitive. But let's discuss with the prices with the end customer. Thank you very much.
I know the topic. Thank you very much, Mr. Moretti, for this interesting insights. Wish you good luck for the trade.
Thank you very much.
And who now wants to get more information about the company, please visit the site, which is below here.